Hey friends, it's Samara. This month in February 2026, we're featuring Echo Park's Bookish. This collection is absolutely gorgeous. These colors are incredible. So these three papers will come from the main kit, along with an assortment of ephemera and some epoxy dots. Then we get this 12 by 12 in the embellishment kit, and these two papers come from the pattern paper kit. All right, let's get scrapbooking. So I'm flipping through those papers trying to decide which ones I want to use, and guess what? I use all three of them. So let's start off with this gorgeous pink paper. That is going to be our background. Then we have this floral paper, and we're tearing, friends, we are tearing. So we're just going to tear the bottom of that off, and that will become the bottom of our layout. Next, I'm going to go into one of the papers from the pattern paper kit, and we are going to trim out these cards. I love the two top cards that added to my endless TBR, as well as just the very plain blue card with the highlighters. So we're going to use that patterned paper as a pocket and go from there. So the next thing we're going to do is mat our photo using this green paper. I love that it kind of goes with the book there. So let's trim that out, and we're tearing. I'm going to use the reverse side of that pattern paper that I tore to make another tear. So I'm just going to glue it onto one of the edges there. I definitely got my money's worth with this paper. So now we have a double torn border there. And I only put adhesive on 3 of the sides because I do want to use this as a pocket. And then I decide that we're going to cut out the add it to my endless TBR. I sped through this. I don't know why it took me so long to cut that out, but it did. I love that that's a little electronic device there, a little Kindle. I read in all 3 ways, audio, Kindle, as well as good old paperback books. I use the remaining part of that floral paper up at the top, and that just kind of balances the layout and puts the books kind of between those torn papers. What I'm doing here is sort of like ruffling up the edges here. So just taking my fingers and rolling the paper towards me. And then I'm also pressing down so that it is a little bit flatter onto the layout. I am going to be using a ridiculous amount of foam in this layout. If you don't like foam, just go ahead and adhere everything flat to your layout, and that is totally okay. I do decide to pop up the very top of that note card. And then I was thinking about moving everything ever so slightly, but everything was pretty stuck down. So in the end, it is where it is. We're going to add that little title that we cut out, and we're just going to add a ridiculous amount of foam. So I did 2 layers of foam on that. We'll put that down into place, and then we're going to go over to our sticker sheet and start pulling out a bunch of stickers. So again, that sticker sheet comes from the embellishment pack. I love this little frame that came in my main kit with the assorted ephemera that you'll receive. What kind of books are on your TBR, your to be read list? So I am starting the year off with 8. I'm sure that I have more, but I thought let's just start with 8 right now. And I actually have one more. I totally forgot. I just joined a book club and we are reading um, Theo of Golden. So I haven't even started it yet. So again, I love that there's these little headphones in there too for your audiobooks. All right, so we're just going to add some foam to that little sticker there. I haven't taken off the protective sheet, so I'm just gonna let it float around for a minute. I love that little shelf of books. I'm going to add foam just to the very top. The bottom edge will actually slide under those books, just the top edge will stand up. And then of course we need an iced coffee, right? So again, we're gonna add some foam. I went really crazy with the foam on this layout. Adding that little frame, no foam. How do you guys like to read? Do you prefer audio, regular book, Kindle? Is there something I'm missing here? Right now, it's mostly audiobooks for me. I love the portability of it. If I'm doing like very menial tasks at work, I can listen to a book. I often, when I'm scrapbooking, I'm listening to books. In fact, while I was creating this layout, I was listening to a book. All right, so I'm just really filling in with lots of embellishments. Here I'm taking the branding strip and I'm cutting out those patterns and I'm fishtailing the ends of them, and we're just going to add a couple little banners there. Everything is usable, even things that you might want to just toss. Now, of course, I am going to have to add some foam here. Isn't that a fun little touch? All right, so we still have more stickers to use. I love that there's some reading glasses in there. And now we have our little enamel dots. So I just got one color. I don't know if they come in other colors, but I love this. So I'm just going to go through and add in groups of 3 for the most part. I think here I only add 2 dots, and that is okay. All right, so almost done. Let's head back to our sticker sheet. That little bookmark is so adorable. Adding just a little bit of foam to the back there just to make it stand out a little bit. And then I'm going to add a teeny tiny bit of journaling. You guys know me. So just a few books from my TBR January of 2026. All right, friends, enjoy.